Hey everybody, this is Lad here at RenewTechSolutions.com, and we are here because we haven't done a video in a few weeks, and the reason why is because we wanted to be able to make some improvements with the camera that we just now purchased recently, because we're loading everything up in HD and we wanted to be able to have something nice at a better resolution so you're able to enjoy it a little bit better. But in between all that time, had been working with a gentleman that we've actually been trying to work with now for the last year at Biomed Instruments out in California. And this guy is just a phenomenal inventor. Now, he's come up with a recoil reduction unit, and it's an insert that would go into almost any 9mm. And he's also made an external adapter for your shotgun and 16mm. Now, I did talk to him a little bit about the Glocks because I have a Glock 21, and I said, well, what can you do for a 45? If these other adapters in these inserts are supposed to reduce the recoil, now mind you guys, I haven't said how much yet, but if I could tell you that this thing can actually reduce the recoil by up to 95%, it's hard to explain. All I can tell you is that when you're at the range, doing it yourself, it's a completely different experience. Now, what you're going to watch on video is going to floor you, but doing this on your own is a completely different story. Now, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the shotgun adapter. Now, this is what he has, okay? Now, this particular board adapter that he has actually goes on the end of your 12 gauge. And he also makes it for the 16, all right, for your M16, okay? And it's also adjusted inside, so all you have to do is just screw it in, all right? So, now, it's really that simple. And we're talking 95% recoil reduction. We're going to get into that video next week because I'm going to be taking it out to an outdoor range to be able to test it out myself. Now, I know what you're about to watch. You're going to see him on video utilizing this shotgun adapter. And guys, the way he shoots it it's just, you would never want to hold a shotgun the way he's held it. But to know that you have actually that much confidence to be able to shoot it that way he did, it's almost laughable. To be able to know that it can reduce the recoil by that much, it's just blow away. Now, what we're also going to do, and I'm going to show you, because what I did was I actually took my Glock, I sent it into him. Now, he had it for 2 weeks like he told me he needed, and he actually milled the outside of the slide and he bored the inside of the barrel. And now it's permanently adjusted. Now, I was a little concerned about it because I use my defense tool at home to have next to me on my bedside, you know, for defense purposes, obviously. And I had nothing. He said, well, here, I'm going to send you the adapter for your shotgun, and you can just put it on there. And now, mind you, I'm a novice at using my shotgun because I haven't even used it yet. So I need range time on that too. But he said, don't worry about it. I'm going to have it back to you in 2 weeks. Well, guess what? I got it back, and here's what it looks like. As you can see, it's been milled on the side, so you can see what it looks like, and it actually has more of an aggressive look now. On the inside of the bore, it's been adjusted as well. Now, you're going to see the shots that we took. Now, we actually had to rent another Glock 21 because this is mine, and now it's adjusted, so it would be totally inaccurate to be able to show you how well or well not this thing does work. I mean, the only way to know is you got to do side by side. So we rented a Glock 21 to do the side by side at 5, 9, and 22 yards out. You're going to see how well I shoot. Now, what's even more blow away to all this now is you're going to see that with the Laser Max green laser and the adjusted Glock that we have, how much better I'm able to shoot at 9 yards out, 13 rapid fire shots with a full round, full cartridge. You're going to see me hitting a 6-inch target that far away, and you're going to see how accurate it is. Now, to us, words can't even describe. This thing felt like butter. That's all I'm going to say. And when you watch this, I hope you'll be just as blown away as I was. Now, the thing that's going to freak you out even more is the price when we go over that last. So what we're going to do is show you the shot that he put together, show you the range time, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about the price. So let's get to it and make it happen.
Okay.
Here we are at the range here at Memorial Shooting Center. Wanted to thank the guys again here at 360tacticaltraining.com, and we want to get on with the review. Again, we are going to be doing 3 quick bursts at 5, 9, and 22 yards out with the reducer and without the reducer. So let's get on with the test. Okay, we're going to be doing it 9 bursts at 9 yards. As you can see, I didn't do well at all, actually. Now, 22 yards out. Okay, here we go at 22 yards.